Kraš, a Croatian national treasure, is the first chocolate producer in Southeast Europe whose products have been adored by generations. One of Kraš's most famous brands is a chocolate named Dorina. However, this fine chocolate passed into the ownership of butchers. Kraš was taken over by the Pivac brothers' meat industry. The public was appalled. Inspired by the reactions, Kraš decided to use Dorina chocolate, known for its wide range of flavours, for the International Fool's Day, the 1st of April. A new flavour was announced on social networks. Tasty or greasy? Dorina, in cooperation with the Pivac brothers' meat industry, presents chocolate with čvarak. For those who don't know, čvarak is sometimes seen as a not very desirable byproduct of processed meat, left over from cooking pork fat in a metal cauldron. The news spread beyond all expectations and became the most noticed April Fool's joke in Croatia. Based on user comments, it was decided Dorina Čvarak would go into production. So in just 20 days, a limited series of chocolate with čvarak was produced. And to everyone on April 1st who wished the joke to become true, we sent Dorina Čvarak bar for free. The users were so happy, they went crazy. The series of 600 pieces was sold out in Kraš's store in just 45 minutes and became the best-selling limited edition product ever. There was even a waiting list. Even the most popular news portals bought Dorina Čvarak for their content, with amazing results. Without additional promotion, we achieved the most shared viral post with the greatest organic reach and the largest number of likes in the history of Kraš ever. Dorina achieved growth beyond expectations and after 7 years took over the leading market share position from its main competitor. Plus, the brand popularity increased. You must be wondering what's next.